Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a recent trade-in of ours. This is a Tige Z3 2022 year model. So it will be the Z3, which is the most popular style of Tige. It's going to be the true V-bow. So up here in the bow you'll have enough for two people to lay out, and it will be very great for your slalom skiing and still be able to do all of your wakeboarding and wake surfing needs. You will have ample ballast built into the boat with some plug and play bags for extra ballast up to a little over 3,000 pounds on this boat. It is rated for up to 16 people, so we'd love to have you out and show you this boat. Well, let's get to it. Here in the front, you will have grab handles for both passengers, a couple cup holders, some nice wet sound stereo, and USB ports. As you enter the boat, you will have a very nice bimini. So this will give you a couple pockets back here if you want to put some surf ropes or some dock lines up there. Throughout the interior, you will have a very simple purple, gray, and white interior, diamond stitched along the top. Very great condition on these seats. You'll have some info chargers, USBs, again, a lot more cup holders. You will have a manual tower on this boat with 4 tower speakers by Wet Sounds. This boat has all of the upgraded interior audio. You will have another couple upgrades like your fender clips. So this will be quick release for your fenders and a nice little access to your trash can. Here at the helm, we do have the steering wheel controls, keyless ignition, and the vertical Murphy screen. We'd love to show you this boat in person. It does come with a trailer. It comes with a full cover, so it is perfect for anyone looking to get into the surf market in a slightly used, beautiful condition ski boat.